right, so good morning, guys. We requested rain and we got rain. I mean, we got a lot of rain from 12 o'clock yesterday all the way down to this morning, about 5. So as you can tell, it's wet. So, you know, certain properties we know that we can mow when it's wet, and certain properties we can't, right? So what we do is we just number them from, you know, most likely to probably not. And like I said before, we have tomorrow anyway open for, you know, the ones that we actually can't get to. So this is centipede grass, which is untreated, and most of the times these are the ones that we can kind of get into. Oh, let me close this. I left this open, and not have an issue. So it works out pretty well. And then what we do, guys, let's say for instance, if you're mowing at 3 inches, well, centipede is mowed at 2.5. Okay, now I know some of you guys have been saying, you know, hey, that's kind of low to be mowing grass. But keep in mind, this is a south, and this is untreated centipede. So the optimal, the best height is 2 to 2.5 inches. Okay, so we try to keep it as 2.5 inches, and that's what customers like in this area. If you try to mow this a little bit higher than 2.5 inches, believe me, you're gonna get callbacks. But yeah, this is centipede grass. So like I was saying, if, like for instance, this is mowed at 2.5 inches, right? So because it rained, and I know the soil is just a little bit wet, we will put the deck at 2.75. See, we put it at 275. This way, we're getting close to that 2.5, which, you know, the customer don't mind. Now, most of you guys be saying, you know, oh, this guy's moving fast for the camera. No, guys, this is the way we mow. This is where we mow. We know these properties so well, you know, that a lot of them is like driving. You know, these properties, we maintain them all the time. This one we've been doing for the past 3-4 years, and this is like driving. So yeah, you can probably do them with our eyes closed. But yeah, this is Q's side. So he's doing this side, this property by himself, and I did that one by myself. And yes, some of us are faster than some, but at the end of the day, it's not about how fast you do it, it's about the end result. And this property over here is a little bit bigger than that one, but you know, he kind of like doing this one. Next, I'm gonna go over there where that white truck is. We gotta hit that one up, and that one is sort of new, but it's in the same vicinity, so I'm hoping we get the same results as this one. Like case in point, this one I know for a fact is a little bit wetter on this side. You know what I mean? So here we'll bring up the deck probably to 3, and please be careful, guys, not to leave ruts. You know, I'm telling you, don't leave ruts, and don't leave a whole bunch of clippings bunched up. Don't do that. Make sure that, you know, if you're starting to leave a whole bunch of clippings bunched up, then what you got to do is you got to come back with a blower and blow it. All right? And as you can tell, guys, we edge everything. If it's on the grass, we'll edge it. Now, Q revs up his engine all the way. That's his thing. That's his thing. I know some of you guys have commented about that. I gives a damn, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now. The work is excellent. Work ethics, excellent. I gives a damn how much he's running that engine. Plus, I've never had an engine blow up. you know, because of that. So I have no issue. And then you may say, well, what about the fuel consumption? Hey man, come on. The end result is what counts, you know what I mean? That's the way I look at it. But again, that's the way we do it, and you guys do it your way. So this is awesome. I finished mine. I'm just filming Q, and then when we're finished, we're gonna both blow. Like I said before, I did this one, this is his, and then we're gonna move over there. And then after that, we have two. We have this one and that one, and then the one on the other side. But I'm not gonna film those guys because I'm trying to get you guys some footage, but the reality is we gotta move with a sense of urgency today. Because it is, as you can tell, look at the skies. It is super, super cloudy, and it may come down again anytime soon. Hey, let's talk about, I had an unusual request from one of my customers, right? I was like, are you serious? I told him, no, I can't do it. The customer wanted me to take their trash. Yes, their trash. I'm talking about the trash that they have in bags inside the sidewalk. They wanted me to take their trash. And she said she was gonna pay me. And no guys, if it was vegetation debris, then I can see doing it, but not regular trash. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. The customer was talking to me, and not this particular customer, okay? Another customer yesterday. Yes, wanted us to take her trash, and she was gonna give me, you know, $20. But guys, you know, I you know, tell me what you guys think. I don't want to be, I'm not a trash man. You know what I mean? If it was vegetation debris, you know, limbs, sticks, leaves, you know, weeds, whatever the case might be, of course, no issues. But garbage? Nah, man. That's, you know, and again, some of you may say, you know, yeah, I'll take the garbage. All I do is drive around and put it in somebody else's trash can or just throw it in the dumpster. But guys, you know, no. There's a little bit of pride, you know, not a little bit, but I have a lot of pride in what I do. You know, that's like, would you ask the electrician or the plumber to take your trash? You know what I mean? And it probably wasn't said or done in a malicious way. You know, she probably thought that, you know, they were helping us out. Because for some reason, everybody's under the impression that the lawn guy is the desperate guy. You know, and that's something that I am trying to eradicate, man. You know? And again, I'm just kind of letting you guys know the way I feel, the way I'm thinking. You know, we are professionals. You know, we are uniformed. We have a very extremely expensive equipment. You know, we are a business. You know, so to me, in my mind, I'm like, nah, thank you, but no thank you. And I just kept it moving. What do you guys think? Would you take the trash for the money? Now keep in mind, you know, anytime you show up, then you become the trash man. So she don't need to pay the local garbage people to come pick up her trash. She's gonna just have you. You know? Tell me in the comments below, guys. Let's learn from each other. I personally don't think that that's something that I am in the works for. That's not my thing. No. It's a sense of pride. I'm your lawn guy. You know, this is what I do. But yeah, maybe I'm just different, you know. So yeah. But yeah, as you can tell, Q is doing his thing, and this is all the time, guys, all the time. And I will tell you, good. All right, awesome job, man. Oh, he's got his headphones. But yeah, and now we'll blow. But I'm not gonna film the blowing, guys. It is what it is. But as you can tell, this is it, and this is it. All right. No, I will film the blowing. I will film the blowing so you guys can see how we do it. Now, every morning, the first one we have to go ahead and crank it up before we put it on our bags. But once you crank it up for the first time in the mornings, then we're good to go. See? We do that all the time, guys, all the time. We blow this out, and then we blow the mowers, and it's repetition. We do it all the time that it becomes, it's like driving. Okay, so all I'm doing is showing you what we do, and it's done automatically. Okay, let me go ahead and grab this one. I hate dealing with white cars when it rains because you get all these clippings on the car and you can't avoid it. Yo, we're gonna try to hit, we only got that one.
Yeah.
But then we also have this one. So you want to just try? You want to try and hit this one since we're right here, and then
We
we
might
can.
have to come back to this one later. You know that it just rained.
Yeah.
It's gonna be wet.
Let's go ahead and hit the front.
Mm-hmm.
Because the back is probably closed, so we're gonna just hit the front, and then we can drive there and just check it out. Because I know for a fact that puddle right there is gonna be wet. All right, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch us. Be blessed, stay safe out there, cover up.